To learn numbers between 1,000 and 999,000, we need to remember how we do hundreds, tens, and units. So if we count them, 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, and a 1. So we have 321. And what if we add 1,000? Make sure it's 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 10 groups of 100, or we can say 1,000. So we would write 1,321 for that number. What happens if we add another 1,000? That would be 2,321, and we would continue to change the number of the thousands. Continue 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and I show this in the classroom, 7,000, 8,000. We really want a good visual of the numbers. 9,000. So we now know this number is 9,321, and we would change the 1,000 numbers there. Now what happens, we have 9,321, if we add one more 1,000? Well, we know that 9 plus 1 is 10. So 9,000 plus 1,000 is 10,000. So we would write 10,321. 321. We always leave a space between the thousands and the hundreds, tens, and units. And then we would keep showing students 10,000 plus one more is 11,000. If we keep adding another one, 12,000, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,000, and then 30,000, 40,000. We get a visual around the classroom, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99,000. We would write 99,321. That number has not changed. But what happens if we have 99,000 and we add one more 1,000? We know that 99 plus 1 is 100. Students know this at this time. So 99 plus 1 is 100. So 99,000 plus one more 1,000 is 100,000. And my 321 has not changed. So 100,321 is my number. So once we know that, we can add still yet another 1,000. What happens if we add another 1,000? We would say 101,321. If we add another 1,000, 102,321, and we would keep building the number. What happens if we have 109,000, 109,000, and if we add one more 1,000, 110,321. So once we have a good understanding of that, we ask the students to write multiple lines to represent the thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. And then I ask students to write the numbers down in the first line. So if I say 6,920, they would find 6,000. We know there's only 6,000 here. 920, they write the number like that. What if I say 25,320? I would write 25,320 here. What if I say 203,000? So now I know how to write 203. So I just write 203 in the thousands area. 203,612. And we would write the number that way. And then we ask students to read the numbers out loud, either with a partner or by themselves. 6,920. And they can check it off. 25,320. 203,612. Okay? And we had a lot of practice that way. Once students understand the concept of thousands, we can then extend their learning. Well, what's the next group of 3 numbers, we go to millions. So we would repeat the process and say, okay, what if I say 2,106,000? So now we have 106,920. What if I say 305 million? 305 million, 25,000. So here we would add the 0 because I only have 25,000. So there's no hundreds of thousands, just 25,000. 305 million, 25,320. So if I say 3,203,612, 3,203,612. And we would read the numbers after that.